Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this algebra problem for the value of x. And if you are just coming to our channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more exciting math content like this. So the first thing to do is, given this problem, we must know that x is not equals 0. So I'm going to apply two methods. So here is method 1. So from here we have 8 to the power of x, which we can write it as 2 to the power of 3 all raised to the power of x plus, and again we have 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equals 6. So by rule of exponent, we are going to interchange these 3 with x, and here we have 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x raised to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of x equals 6. So here we have 2 to the power of x, which is common. We are going to let it to another letter. Suppose I let y equals 2 to the power of x, which means we have y to the power 3 plus y to the power of 2 divided by y to the power 2 minus y equals 6. So here we are going to cross multiply. We multiply the whole of this with this, and then we have y raised to the power 3 plus y square equals 6 bracket y square minus y. So when we open the parentheses and transfer everything to this side, we have y to the power of 3 plus y square. So 6 multiplied by y square, that is 6y square. Then we take it to the left hand side, we have minus 6y square. And here is negative, we take it here, it becomes plus 6y equals 0. And here we have y raised to the power 3 minus 5y square plus 6y equals 0. So y is common, we can factor it out. So by taking it out, we have y bracket y square minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. And here we have y equals 0, or we have y square minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. So if y equals 0 here, this is meaningless, because if you have 2 to the power x equals y, and if y equals 0, so this is not equivalent. No matter value of y we plug in here, so we reject this. And when we factor this, here is minus 5, here is 6, so the whole of this is y minus 3 bracket open bracket y minus 2 equals 0. Therefore we have y equals 3 or y equals 2. So we now recall from where we let y equals 2 to the power of x, and at y equals 3 we have 2 to the power x equals 3. So to get x, we introduce logarithm of base 2 to both sides. So here we have logarithm of base 2, then we have 2 to the power x equals logarithm of 3 base 2. So when this cancels this, we have x equals log 3 base 2, which is one of the solutions to this. And when y equals 2, we have 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power 1, and 2 cancel 2, which means x equals 1. So here is the first method, And let's check the second method to solve this. So from this, we have 8 to the power x plus 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power of x. So what we do is, suppose I factor out 2 to the power of x from here. We have this as 2 to the power x bracket. In this parenthesis, we are going to left with 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power x divided by, so here we have 2 to the power x as well, bracket 2 to the power of x minus 1, everything equals 6, and where x is not equals 0. So this cancel this, and for this one we have 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. So when we cross multiply, here becomes 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x equals 6 bracket 2 to the power of x minus 1. And by opening the parentheses, we have this as 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. So here comes here, it becomes minus 6 bracket 2 to the power x. And here is plus 6 equals 0. So with this one, we have this as minus 2 to the power x. And here is, alright, I think I did mistake here. Here is plus. So here is plus, which means we have this as plus. So when we factor out 2 to the power of x from here, we are going to have this as 4 to the power x, and taking out 2 to the power of x, we are left with 1 minus 6, which is minus 5, plus 6 equals 0. And here we can write this as 2 to the power of 2x minus 5 dot 2 to the power x plus 6 equals 0. And trust me, when we factor out this, what we are going to have is 2 to the power of x minus 3 bracket 2 to the power of x minus 2 equals 0. That is what we are going to have when we factorize this. So which means we let this one equals 0 or we let this one equals 0. So by letting this one equals 0, we have 2 to the power x equals 3. And y for this one, 2 to the power x equals 2. So introducing logarithm of base 2, then we get x equals logarithm of 3 base 2, or we have x equals 1, because this is raised to power 1, and 2 cancel 2, we have x equals 1. So this is how to solve this problem using these two different methods for this algebra problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel again for more exciting math content like this. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.